Okay. I want you to imagine now you've been publishing videos, success stories on Facebook, and people kind of like see like you got some type of training thing going on. All right. And you've held a business planning workshop on Zoom where you had, 12 people, 12 agents signed up. Some of them paid 20, 30, 40 bucks to come. All right. And you spent 3 hours with them, helping them write a business plan on what to do for lead generation, how to do lead conversion, how to go on appointments, kind of like how to sell real estate, essentially. I want to work on the process of how you bring someone in after a seminar workshop. So you've gone to these, you've gone to conferences, you've gone to seminars, you've gone to workshop. They all have lost money. They all lose money. They're very expensive. The whole point of those things is a long form sales letter to sell you coaching or to get you involved with the brokerage. Fair enough? And to get you excited to take a one-on-one meeting. So here's how this works. So I want you to imagine you're on your webinar. It's the end of the 3-hour business planning workshop. Either you're doing it in your office or on Zoom. And you say to everyone, so did you all write down a good, clear business plan of you all can leave here today of exactly what you have to do to go sell more homes? And everyone's like, yes, Frank, yes, Frank, yes, Frank, yes, Frank, yes, Frank. You say, great. Now I understand the material today was a little, it was broad, it's kind of like a one size fit all for all of you. But I know some of you, we have prospectors in here. Some of you like open houses. Some of you are like Brian Buffini referral people. Some of you might be following Mike Ferry for 5 years and you're up in 6 a.m. prospecting in a suit every day in your house. All right. So you all have different backgrounds, right? So here's what I like to do. I like to offer a one-on-one meeting with me. A good hour, even 90 minutes, I don't care. But I want to help sit down with you and get to know you better because many of you, it's the first time I'm meeting you. And I'd like to meet with you for just a free business planning session. We're going to go through your business plan and I'm going to help really personalize it to your behavior style. So the way that you actually do business, like kind of authentically fits you. Fair enough? If you're interested in a personalized business plan, I'm going to pass out a form. Just fill it out if you're interested. Or go to my website and go put your information in. And my assistant will be reaching out to ask some more questions and schedule a time for us to meet. No pitch, nothing else, just something I like to do. We'll probably do a transaction together. And this way we can maybe grind on each other less as we're trying to do our jobs. So again, I want to kind of just give you that again. You taught kind of a generalized seminar. You acknowledge that everyone has different behavior styles, different goals, different needs, different backgrounds. And you want to help personalize the business plan that you help them write kind of, en masse in the group with a one-on-one call. And you just want to help them out only because you'll be doing business together in the future for the most part. All right. Go to the website. They can go to your website to opt in for a call, or you pass out some forms or just send me an email. I don't know. Just let me know you're interested in a meeting, no charge. And then my assistant will reach out to you to ask some more questions and get you scheduled for a call with me with plenty of more information so I'm fully prepared. Copy your assistant. Hey, great. So-and-so is going to set up a call for us. The assistant takes the person, puts them into your CRM, puts them in their applicant tracking system, follows up, calls the individual, and says, great, I'm here to schedule a time with Clint. He's available at these times. Let me get the time scheduled. Let me get it booked. But while I'm on the phone with you, to make your time with Clint the most productive as possible, can I get some more information from you so Clint is prepared to help offer you some advice where we're not just sitting in the meeting doing a bunch of research, catching up? How does that sound? Great. Got it? This is kind of like the nurse meeting before the doctor. That's the best metaphor I can give you. So if it's all right, before you meet with Clint, I'd like to ask you just a couple questions and feel free to just elaborate because I'm going to take these notes and I'm going to put it in the description of the meeting request that's going to be on here. So before Clint meets with you, actually knows a little bit about you. Oh, great. That would be amazing. All right. So great. Well, would you tell me really quickly, why did you get into real estate? And then what's the vision for your career? Do you plan on having like a real estate career long time? What's your vision for your real estate career? What do you want to do? What do you want to accomplish? Where do you want to go? So, what's working well now in your business? What are some things that Clint needs to know? What's working well now? What's working well now for you? All right. And what do you need to change? What do you already know based upon the workshop that you went to with Clint or what you've been watching online? What do you know you need help with? To make this a successful call with Clint, what's the outcome you're looking for? So when your assistant asks those questions, and writes these out. I mean, the call might be an hour long, sure, but they're getting all this great information. And now, could you imagine in your calendar a couple of these a week where it's just scheduled? They've spent time with you online. They've come to your workshop, and when you click that appointment, when they see it, you see that appointment set with Bob Smith or whatever, and here's all this detail on the individual. You sit down and you read it. You're ready to have a really good call with this person, aren't you? To really help them out.